PHP sessions. A session is a way to store information in variables to be used across multiple pages. Unlike a cookie, the information is not stored on the user computer but on the server. So, session variables hold information about one single user and they are available to all pages in an application. That is, you can store a lot of variables in a session and still yet they would be available across different pages on your application. And they are better than cookies. So let's see them in action. The very first thing when you want to create a session is at the top of your documents, you have to use a command called session start. So let's say this is start session. So we have to start the session by using this command that says session start. That is all. And now that the session is started, the next thing is we can now assign variables to a session. So opening PHP and closing PHP tag. Then let's assign some variables to the session. The first one I would want to assign using the session superglobal is name. So name is Precious Ireo. Then let's assign more sessions. Let's assign country. And country would be Nigeria. Let's say code, and let's just call this PHP. And let's do one color. Black. So let me put that in small letter. So to tell us that the session is done completely, let's just do something here that says all sessions variables are set. Okay. So let's open our session file. And as you can see, it says all sessions variables are set. That is what we did here. That is, everything in this code has run down to the echo. Now, let's see if we can work with our sessions. So I'm going to comment all these out. Okay, because we're not resetting them. And first thing first is we can see all the sessions that we've set using a printr function. So let's see everything we have in session. So printr of section, okay? Let's see what we have inside. And as you can see, we have name, Precious, we have country, Nigeria, we have code, PHP, and we have color, black. So you see that we've been able to set our sessions properly. We can even use them in echo statements. So I could say something like echo my name is, and we want to use the session for name, which happens to be what? Name. Okay. And there you go. My name is Precious. All right. And now that you have all your sessions set, what if you don't want the sessions anymore? What do? It's easy. You can use a session destroy. Okay. So how do you destroy session? Just at the top, we say destroy session. This is a comment. And to destroy session, all you need to do is you say session destroy. So if I reload this page, let's see. And as you can see, undefined array key, because there is no longer any session with the name array. Let's confirm this by doing a print r of this code of session. So let's see what we have in our session. And as you can see, it is back to an empty array. So we started a session, we assigned variables to it, we used the variables, and we've destroyed the session. So guys, this is it on PHP Sessions. I would see you in the next one.